Hi, this is Kevin Leach from Inequality with a quick tutorial on how to receive an ISDN call in ipDTL. One method is to click the dial pad icon at the top of the screen followed by Receive ISDN. Click the gear icon at the bottom of the page and check that you're set to the appropriate codec for the calling party to use. Then click on OK. And finally, click on the green Connect icon. This will prepare ipDTL to receive the incoming call and present you with two numbers to call, either in the UK or the USA, depending on what you have set in your settings here. A handy method is also to set an incoming shortcut. You can click the shortcut editor here, select incoming shortcut for your desired destination, depending on where you are. Again, select the codec settings and type something like Receive ISDN and save. You'll see now that a shortcut has appeared in your destination list, which can be accessed by clicking the top left icon. When you click Receive ISDN, it will present you with two numbers for the calling party to call. Thanks for watching.